Subaru is preparing to launch the 6th-generation Forester in Japan later this month, and the automaker has revealed a fresh and exciting twist for its Japanese-spec model. The Forester's core design remains familiar, but the biggest change lies in the extensive list of accessories, offering buyers unique ways to customize their SUV. Subaru has added a variety of rugged and sporty body kits, including some samurai-inspired details that make the new Forester stand out in a way that appeals to the adventurous spirit of Japanese consumers. The Japanese market will see three main trims for the new Forester: the X-Brake, Premium, and Sport. While all three trims will likely find their audience, it's the X-Brake trim that truly shines with the Adventure Style package, which significantly transforms the vehicle's appearance. The package features design elements that evoke the strength and fierceness of samurai armor, all while keeping the Forester's practicality intact. The Adventure Style kit for the X-Brake adds a bold and aggressive look to the Forester. Subaru has designed a redesigned grille with the Subaru emblem proudly displayed in the center, giving the vehicle a more defined, powerful presence. The sharp lighting units and high-mounted cladding on the doors reinforce the tough, rugged look, further elevating the adventurous vibes. These enhancements, along with the black decals on the hood, sides, and tailgate, featuring mountain graphics, transform the Forester into a vehicle that feels ready to take on the wild. Unlike the US-spec Forester Wilderness, which comes with enhanced ground clearance and off-road capabilities, the Adventure Style package in Japan retains the standard suspension setup. This means the Japanese version offers the same ground clearance as other Forester models, prioritizing design over extra off-road performance. However, the look itself is striking, with the rugged accessories ensuring that it won't blend into a crowd. For buyers looking to add a more performance-oriented touch, Subaru offers the STI Sport add-ons for the Forester. These accessories are designed for those who want to inject a little sportiness into their family SUV without changing the core features. The STI Sport kit includes a front splitter, side skirts, and rear bumper extensions that can be finished in a bold red color. It also includes a larger roof spoiler, black 18-inch wheels, and dual exhaust tips adorned with the iconic STI logo. While this package adds a touch of performance flair, it does not bring any changes to the powertrain or chassis. The STI Sport kit also features a performance muffler, which Subaru claims enhances throttle response and provides smoother acceleration, although no hardware changes to the engine or suspension have been made. For those looking for more subtle changes, the Premium trim offers silver accents around the body and dark gray 19-inch alloy wheels, simple additions that give the Forester a sleek, refined look without being too flashy. Inside, Subaru gives buyers a wide range of customization options with a series of dealer-installed accessories. These include aluminum pedals, all-weather seat covers, door scuff plates, and window shades. For those planning outdoor adventures, Subaru also offers practical upgrades such as a utility hook for carrying camping gear or fishing equipment in the cargo area. These additions enhance the Forester's versatility, making it a great option for weekend warriors who enjoy hiking, camping, or other outdoor activities. As for powertrain options, Subaru is offering two choices for the Japanese market Forester: a turbocharged 1.8-liter gasoline engine and a self-charging hybrid setup. The hybrid powertrain, which combines a 2.5-liter engine with an electric motor, was recently introduced to the US version of the Forester and produces a combined 194 horsepower. This electrified system uses Toyota's hybrid technology, while Subaru's signature boxer engine and symmetrical all-wheel drive system remain unique to the brand. With Subaru gearing up to release more details about the Japanese-spec Forester, including pricing, on April 17, fans of the brand are eagerly awaiting what promises to be an exciting new chapter for the beloved compact SUV. The Forester's new design options, including the Adventure Style and STI Sport add-ons, show that Subaru is paying close attention to what consumers want: a vehicle that is not only practical but also customizable to fit their personal style.